Okay, so in this video, I'm going to share how you can make £1,000 a day by using Whop, whether that's clipping, whether that's digital products, whether that's doing campaigns. I'm going to share in this lesson for you guys how you can actually make money with Whop for completely free, starting this as a complete beginner. And yeah, I'm just going to share everything with you. So what is actually Whop? So what is Whop? Think of Amazon, right? But for digital products. You can literally host courses, communities, products, PDFs, ebooks, etc. all on Whop, i.e. your store. If you're thinking about like stores or school or Zoom, pretty much forget about it, right? So you can get rid of Stand Store, you can get rid of Zoom, you can get rid of school, and you can literally just use Whop. So you can get payments on there, you can message potential leads, discounts, pop-ups, everything, right? And it literally costs nothing. You can host everything in one place. It has its own marketplace for customers. And yeah, this is how you can make £10,000 a month using Whop. So I'm just going to get straight into the video for you. I'm going to share how you can actually create your own Whop from complete scratch. So that you can actually go ahead and do this. So yeah, I'm looking forward to sharing in this video how you can literally make money from this. Okay, so as you can see here, this is Whop, right? This is the whole app, this is the whole website. The amount of ways you can make money on here is absolutely insane. Like, you could be an app developer, you could be someone who creates digital products, you could be somebody that wants to host a community, you could host live streams, PDFs, courses, communities, everything that I've just said. The ways you can make money on here is absolutely incredible, right? And put it this way, like I said before, and this isn't just like one of those things where I say, oh, you can make £1,000 a day, and then I don't do it myself. As you can see, yesterday, one second, I made £1,100 from Whop. And today, as you can see here, I'm halfway there again already. And this is just from the stuff that I'm about to share with you guys that you can literally do on this platform as a complete beginner and starting from complete scratch, right? So firstly, I'm just going to share some ways you can actually make money on Whop, and then I'll share actually how to create your own Whop, which is pretty much going to be like your own product, your own app, your own course, your own community, whatever it may be, and I'll go through all of that with you. But yeah, I just wanted to say before we kick start into the video, I do share Whop Simplified in the Digital Wealth Simplified in the link in my bio. If you want to go learn more about it, you can go there straight away. But as I say, in this video, I'm going to share how you can make £1,000 a day doing this. So yeah, I just wanted to get that out there for you guys because I know that there's going to be a lot of people that are wanting to learn more after this. So yeah, getting straight into Whop, pretty much, right, you've got loads of ways you can make money on Whop. You've got, for example, you can click the bounties available. You can, where are we? Yeah, you can literally clip people's videos. So for example, we go onto this person's account. You might know who he is. I don't, but you might know who he is. So you could clip this person and earn $1 per 1,000 views, right? So you can go into their community, you get the videos from them, you can create a Rob social media channel, and you can clip their videos and earn $1 per 1,000 views, or £1, depending on if you're in the UK or not. Yeah, that's one way you can make money on Whop. Pretty simple. You can clip people's account, you can do bounties, you can do challenges with people. That's one way you can do it. Another way that you can do it is you can literally be an affiliate marketer for anything on Whop. So put it this way, on my Whop, you can get a 70% affiliate commission for selling my product, and I'll get onto that in a bit. Okay, yeah, so then if we go back to this, you can affiliate market for anything. So hottest affiliate orders, you can go on these guys' accounts and then just click add to affiliate, and then it will go to your affiliate dashboard, which I'll talk more about. But that's two ways you can make money. Another way you can make money on here is the App Store. So you can create an app and upload it to the Whop App Store, which I think is going to get massive, and pretty much anyone can do this. So if you know how to create an app, you can literally do it within seconds on third-party apps or even on Whop, and then upload it to the App Store, and people can download this. You could charge money for it. That's one way that you can make money. Another way that you can actually make money on Whop is by creating a Whop. So creating a product, creating a community group, creating live streams, loads of different things. But what you'll see on here, right, is this is the marketplace. So this is pretty much like Amazon. There's like 10 million customers on here, but there's not a lot of stores. So for example, if you went to the where are we? If we go to the travel section, right, and you wanted to create a travel product, as you can see here, there's 46 pages of products, and if there's, as I'm recording this, there's 9 there, 9 times 46, about like 360-ish products, but there's 10 million people in the marketplace. Like, there's 10 million people as customers. So you do the maths on that. If you get onto this early, you can make a lot of money from this. So what these people are doing is they are creating a Whop, and then they're getting put onto the marketplace for literally for free, right? You're getting put onto the marketplace for free. People who want to go and buy a travel guide, they can click travel, and as you can see here, travel, like create clips for a new golf entertainment business. That shouldn't be in the travel industry, actually. But live like a European for 5 years. Like, that's one way that you can do this. But that's an example of a Whop, right? But I hope you can see the potential with this. This is a way that you can actually make £1,000 a month from it. So what we're going to do now is we're actually going to create a Whop. 1 second. If we go back to my dashboard, you can go in the top right hand corner and you can literally just press create new Whop. And as you see here, let's build your new Whop. What I'll do is I'll put a link down below and you can just go and create a free Whop account. You can go and start this. If you've already got a Whop dashboard set up, then it will be like there. You can see it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click that. And we're just going to call it travel to... Oh, can't spell travel. Travel to Thailand. This is what your product's going to be called. This is what your Whop's going to be called, right? So you press continue, name your Whop, choose your Whop link. I don't know, travel Thai. I don't know. I didn't even spell travel right again. And that is it. You've just created a product, literally from scratch. So once you've created a product, now what you'll do is you have that store here, like on the screen. As you can see, what we were just going through, people's stores, is here. So these reviews are obviously there because that's from my other Whop. And I'll just give you a quick example of what I mean by my Whop. So if we go to my store page, as you can see here, here's my Whop. I help people sell digital products with live support. You can see the reviews, all this type of stuff. Myself, what's included. Yeah, it's all there. But if we go back to my travel one, where is it? We can now start to edit this store. We can start creating this product. So what we're going to do is, firstly, at the top, you've got the upload media. So this is like going to be your profile picture. So what I'll do is I'll just quickly upload a picture that's suited for this Whop and this community and this product. So as you can see, I've just uploaded a picture of Thailand. I believe that's Thailand anyway. And as you can see, it's travel to Thailand. It's suited towards that. So we're one step closer already from literally creating a Whop for free. Obviously, with this, you would need to promote this Whop. But then also, if you're creating and you're literally uploading something to Whop, you'll get put on their marketplace. Like, there's customers on here ready to purchase products. So that's one way you can make money from this. And you don't need a lot of social media for this. You can literally get paid on the marketplace. So once that's updated, right, we just literally just go through the exact steps Whops are telling us to go through. So set up your Whop, add a title, headline, description. Okay, let's create headline. Travel to Thailand in style. Or and then inside the description, inside this community, you'll get instant access to the best places to travel in Thailand with the most engaging community group too. Just like that. And then down here you've got a call to action, then you've got a checkout link, you've got upsells, you've got visibility. So like this, so you can make your Whop public to everyone. I'm just going to turn it off because otherwise people will see it. So yeah, with that, then you'll obviously get put onto the discovery page, which is down here. So get your Whop in front of 2 million Whop users every month for free. So there's a lot of people that are on Whop in terms of customers and everything. As you can see, 2 million people are on there a month just in terms of buyers. Like, it's crazy. So you'll be able to do that once you finish just onboarding. So if we just press save, now what you'll see is it's just changed, hasn't it? So travel to Thailand in style. In this community, you'll get instant access. Job done. You can just send a link to people to join. Now what you want to do is you'll scroll down and here's about me, all this stuff. Who's this for? You could create first time travelers. If you're if you're somebody who's looking to go to Thailand, this is for you. And then I'll press save, and then that is there. So who is this for? First time travelers. Now what you can do here is you can manage your pricing. So if you wanted to create a pricing option of a free option, or you could create a pricing of let's say $19.99. Then what you've got down here is how much stock you want to have, add a wait list, do you want to ask some questions, what payment method, so you could apply for financing, stuff like that. But obviously card will work. And then what you can do, or you can have a monthly fee as well. what we're just going to do is just create £20 job done, and then that is going to be on here. If we get rid of that free pricing just for a second. Again, I do teach this more in the Digital Health Simplified in more depth of how you can create this. But yeah, if I just refresh the page, then when we go down here, it should be on the pricing section, manage pricing. Yeah, this will say, like, when this is live, and once this is set up, that will say $19.99. And then what you'll do is you'll just send that to people, and then they can go and buy. Frequently asked questions. This is something that you should take seriously when creating a Whop. Again, this is pretty much a digital product, right? You can create a digital product on here. Again, the question's there. What is the refund policy? That's a frequently asked question. We strictly give no refunds. I didn't spell it right, but yeah, as you can see, frequently asked questions. And that is you've got a Whop set up pretty much. Now what you need to do is you need to add actual apps. So community chats, ways they can earn money, the actual course. So what you do here on the learn section is you can upload a course, you can upload PDFs, you can upload a document, right? So you can upload your PDFs or courses all in one place, all at, like, in the same place, right? So you don't need to have separate stores. It's crazy. You can go onto Calendar. You can sell virtual events. You've got a section where you can include games. You've got a section where you can embed websites, embed apps, software. It's absolutely crazy. Yeah, and then down here you've got Discords and stuff like that. But what you want to do down here on the chat section, if you wanted to create a chat, you could just put community chat. Then we can just put it on visible for a minute. And then what will come up here is, if we click back on your store page, now people will see that you can actually, they'll be able to see what's inside of it. So once you create a community chat, once you've uploaded products, this will then all be here. Here's what you'll get. And then this is your store page that you can send to people, right? Like, that is like the simplest way to put this, how you can create something. Invite people, manage pricing, manage store, loads of different things that you can do. Yeah, I hope that helps, and I hope this is actually, like, making sense to you and how much money you can make from this. But with this, obviously, you can create a lot more things with this. So you can press Manage Store. What you can do is you can create an upsell. So if you wanted to sell something inside the Whop, you can do that. If you wanted to include a discount code for people when they are looking at your store but haven't purchased yet, you can give them a 50% discount code whilst they're looking at it. So it just makes them more intrigued to actually buy it. But then with this, what you can do is your Whop's then going to be on the Discover page. You're going to be featured in front of loads of people. They can actually buy your product, right? So you've got a product here. You can set up all of this, edit your banner, add an image, and then when you want to go back to your store page, you just click here, the store page. But there's loads of things you can include on Whop, right? But this is one way that you can one way you can make money via Whop. So what we've now established is this is how you create a community. You can create a community chat in here. You could lock certain apps. So for example, if there was a community or like live streams or certain apps, you can lock them and you could charge, I don't know, £5 when they join it. So for example, it will be locked, and then when they want to join it, they would then have to just pay £5. So you could include an app or something like that and then charge whilst they're inside the Whop, which is amazing for you. Like, it's not necessarily great for them because then they got to buy again or purchase something again, but it's another way that you can make loads of money via your own Whop, and that's how you can get all the way to £1,000 a day selling on Whop. So I hope you can see the vision from this, and I really hope this video helps. And that is how you can make £1,000 a day. You create a product like this. If you want to take it to the next level, you're going to need social media probably in terms of promoting, building a community. If you've already got a social media presence, yeah, this platform is the one for you 100%. If you're creating a fitness guide or a trading group or something like that, or reselling group or loads of groups like that, just random, and you've got an online presence and you influence people or you help people with a certain problem, yeah, you need to get on Whop because you're going to make a lot of money on here. One thing that you'll have as well on Whop is if you ever need help, you can click the bottom left and click Need Help. They have like a support system, which are probably the best support team in the world. And it's literally for free to message them, which is the best thing about this. This all costs nothing to use this platform. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a free link that you can go and start Whop down below. Again, I'm not like trying to get you to sign up to Whop so that I can make loads of money. Like, it's literally, you join this platform for free, and then you can promote on free, Whop for free. You can help people on here. You can go live on here. You can create programs on here, products, and then you can just scale it all the way to £1,000 a day. And that is literally it. Okay, so this is one way that you can do it. This travel to Thailand guide would now be on the Discover page, and people can go and buy this. But obviously, you'd want to make the store look a bit nicer. You want to tell people what's inside of it. But yeah, that is how you can make £1,000 a day on Whop, from creating a Whop like this, creating a product, creating a community group, live streaming on here, creating apps, like helping people on here, creating a course on here. You can then, what was the other thing that you can do on here? You can create an app to then put on the App Store. You can do tasks for people. So if we go back to the Discover page, you can clip content. And as you can see here, and £3 for 1,000 views for Eric. So you click that, and then you just literally just go on their page. They'll give you all the clips that you can post on social media on a faceless page for them. And then you just upload the bounty to them, and then they'll accept it, and you get your money. That is this. You'll never see anything like this, I don't think. I think Whop's going to be massive. And as of recording this, I hope in one day, in a couple of years' time, this gets massive, and everyone looks back on this video. Like, I think this is finding and discovering like YouTube or Instagram back in the day. If you start this now, you're going to make a lot of money. So yeah, I'll leave the links down below, and you guys can go and check it out. And you can actually join my Whop, where I teach people how to create their own digital products like this. And yeah, I won't talk about that much because I want this to be focused on yourself. But yeah, that's how you can make £1,000 a day on Whop. So yeah, I'll love to hear your success stories, and let me know if you need any help.